Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Aweni. Analysis of Writing Skill article. Introduction to the article. This analysis examines an article on writing skill in English language learning. The article explores the nature of writing as a productive language skill and its role in academic and professional development. It is highly relevant to EFL learning seeking to improve written communication. The scope of this analysis cover writing process, technique, pedagogy, and assessment as presented by the author. Understand writing as language skill. Writing within the four language skill. Writing is one the four core English language skill. Alongside reading, listening, and speaking, it is defined as the ability to express ideas, knowledge, and meaning through written form in structure and purpose, while through written form in a structure and purposes way. Unlike speaking written, demands deliberate organization, grammatical accuracy, and clarity of thought. It's different from reading and listening in that it is a productive skill requiring active construction of meaning. In academic and professional context, writing is efficient for communication, critical thinking, and knowledge demonstrations, making it a foundation competency for learner. The writing process. Pre-writing. Plan your ideas through brainstorming, mind mapping, and outlining before beginning to write. Revising content editing for clarity and accuracy, rate for error, the finalize the polished piece. Drafting. Transform your outline into a fresh draft. Focus on expressing ideas without worrying about perfection. Writing technique discussion. Cohesion and coherence. Ensure ideas flow logically and are reality connected throughout the text, clarifying an unfaded and readable pitch of writing. Transition. Use connector and transition pairs to quit rather and enhance sentence various clarity and overall writing fluency. Paragraph structure. Organize ideas with a clear topic, sentence supporting detail, and a concluding statement for effective communication. Academic writing characteristic. Formal, tone, and style. Use objective, impersonal language. Avoids Quilism, maintain consistent, register, and evidence-based argument to hold. Citation and referencing property attributes source use academic confiding APA MLA to support credibility and avoid plagiarism. Structure organizing follow the clear framework. Introduction states the thesis, body paragraph, develop argument, and conclusion synthesis finding. How writing skill develop. Practice and feedback. Writing improve through consistent practice and constructive feedback. Regular writing, expressive build fluency and confidence, while instructor and peer feedback help learner identify errors and review their style. Revision shows reinforce learning and encourage reflection thinking about language use. Proficiency and growth. Learning program dog staggers from basic sentence structure to complex academic writing, reading widely expands vocabulary and expose writers to varied style and structure are right vocabulary and strong reading habit direction support clearer, more effective written expression. Reading pedagogy approach sheet. Process oriented introduction. Focus on strategies of writing, preview, drafting, review, and editing, encourage reflection and interactive improvement over final project. Technology interaction, digital tools, writing prompts, and scaffolding strategies support diverse learning and engaging engagement in the writing classroom. Collaborate writing. Pair writing, talks, group, feedback, session, and share drafting, bold communication, and critical thinking alongside writing skill. Assessment method. Formative and summative. Formative assessment monitor ongoing writing progress to draft and feedback, while summative assessment evaluates final writer work against definite criteria rubric provided clear structure benchmark for evaluating connection, grammar, organization, and argument quality, ensuring consistent and transparent grading. Peer review and self-assessment. Peer review encourage collaborative learning by having students evaluate each other rating using GUID criteria. Self-assessment will metacognitive awareness, helping learning identify their own strengths and areas for improvement. Both strategies promotive reflection, writing, practice, and deeper in alignment with academic writing standards. Reflection on writing process, strengths and limitations. The writing process model offers clear structure and statement guidance. Its strategies include promoting metacognitive aware encouraging revision habit and supporting learner autonomy. However, limitation exist. It may oversimplify writing as linear, underestimates cultural difference, and neglects spontaneous writing style valued in creative contexts. Learning applicability. The model applicability varies across learning contexts. Evidence learning benefit from its structure strategies while beginning may find its rigid AFL learning face additional changes due to linguistic barriers. Adapting the model to suit different proficiency level and cultural background is essential for effective writing instruction. Comparing writing techniques. Focus on grammar. Traditional approach focus on grammar, rules, and linguistic acquisition as the foundation of writing. Learner follow structure, temperate, and formal conversation, embracing the place on correctness, sentence structure, and adherence to prescribed writing from before expressing ideas. Model approach priorities fluence, creativity, and authentic expression rather and ensuring to develop voice and ideas first, then refine for accuracy. Digital tools such as word processor, grammar checker, and online collaborate platforms support and enhance the writing process. Challenges is academic writing block, difficult starting or sustaining writing due to lack of motivation, ideas, or confidence is expressing those ideas, organization, difficulty arranging ideas in a logical coherence requires that support and clear and well-structured argument. Language actually struggles with grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure, reduce clarity, and overall writing quality. Strategies to overcome writing challenge. Practice and reading. Inching is regular writing practice, though journaling, essay, and summative read widely to expand vocabulary, absorb various writing style, and strengthen comprehension. Feedback. Utilization in structure feedback dogs, structure revision styles, interactive review, and targeted collaboration help learning refine accuracy, organization, and overall rating conference. Peer collaboration work with peer to collaboration rating text and group review session and exchange ideas build critical thinking and improve rating quality. The role of feedback in writing, types of feedback, correction feedback and addresses specifically language errors such as grammar, spelling, and syntax, helping learning improve accuracy. Constructive feedback focus on content, organization, and argumentation, organization, building, learning, and to strengthen idea structure. Both types are essential for holistic reading development and should be balanced to avoid discouraging learner. Teaming impact